Season 3 Episode 13. Classic Caillou ruins the new Plotagon 2011 single quote S birthday / makes flash flood / grounded.
Classic Caillou, today is the new Plotagon 2011 single quote S birthday. He has turned 14 years old. To celebrate his go to the movie theater to see the Danny Animate movie 2, The Thing of Summer 4th of July.
I don't like the Danny Animate movie 2, The Thing of Summer 4th of July, because Danny Animate made that movie.
Classic Caillou, we are going to the movie theater.
Fine.
Kids, today is the new Plotagon 2011 single quote S birthday. He had turned 14 years old. To celebrate his go to the movie theater to see the Danny Animate movie 2, The Thing of Summer 4th of July.
Yay 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 yay. Rosie loves the Danny Animate movie too, The Thing of Summer 4th of July. I love that movie.
Me too, me too, me too. Me too, me too, me too. Me too, me too, me too, me too, me too, me too, me too. Me too, me too, me too. Me too, and...
Okay Caillou, that's enough. Let's go to Danny Animate fan-made theaters.
When they got to Danny Animate fan-made theaters.
Hello, the new Plotagon 2011. My name is Rosie. Happy birthday, the new Plotagon 2011.
Thank you, Rosie.
Hello, the new Plotagon 2011. My name is Caillou. Happy birthday, the new Plotagon 2011.
Thank you, Caillou.
Hello, the new Plotagon 2011. My name is Danny Animate. Happy birthday, the new Plotagon 2011.
Thank you, Danny Animate.
When they got to tickets to see the Danny Animate movie 2, The Thing of Summer 4th of July.
I can't wait for that movie.
I agree with you, Danny Animate. Wow, the movie is starting.
Minutes later.
Dad, may I use the bathroom?
Sure, but be quick.
Okay, I'm going to make flash flood. And my body disappeared once again, and I really hate floating heads. Okay, I'm going to use Plotagon logic to make flash flood. Make flash flood, Plotagon logic. Plotagon logic, activate. Oh my god, it's flooding.
Why do we hear an emergency alert system?
Oh no, there is a flash flood warning. Let's run out of here.
Let's run to my house and go on the roof.
I agree with you, Danny Animate.
Okay, Danny Animate, we're here.
I agree.
Oh my god. Doris, we hear the siren. Let's get into Danny Animate's house, quick.
I know Boris, but where is Classic Caillou?
We left him in the bathroom. Let's get him now.
We are at the high place. Oh my god! The flash flood has started in Vietnam, and now it's heading towards to Danny Animateville, Kentucky, United States.
Oh no, we all gonna die.
Okay, here it comes.
Oh no! Patrick, there's a flash flood.
I know SpongeBob.
Boris, someone made flash flood.
Who did it?
It was Classic Caillou.
Oh my god. He is so grounded.
After the disaster,
Yes, we survived, and the disaster's ended.
I agree with you, Danny Animate.
We are finally survived.
I agree.
when Classic Caillou got home,
The living room got destroyed due to a flash flood.
Classic Caillou, how dare you made flash flood to ruin the new Plotagon 2011 single quote S birthday, and even worse, you destroyed the living room with flash flood. Thoughts IT, you are grounded until Christmas. Go to your room now.
Washington H.